8 mil.
Hi everyone. So I just wanted to come on here just to let you know I didn't show the process of putting everything back on because I thought it was sort of redundant. The way you put it on, the way you took it off is the exact same way that you put it on. You just reverse the process. You got the socket sizes, or you got your wrenches. Just go ahead and get to it. Again, the whole process only takes about 20 minutes at max, so it shouldn't take too long. The reason I'm showing you guys this is because I had took it in our vehicle, mine and my wife's vehicle, last year to get fixed for this exact same problem. It cost us $1,000 and some change, and then I had the exact same issue this time around, so I took it back to Chevrolet, and they were trying to charge us $600 to get that fixed. So it ended up being that black little modular component for the stop start that runs the whole system. As you can see, it's been worn out, it's short-circuited, and it's way darker than the other piece. Even though it is an aftermarket piece, it should not, the original piece should not look like that. So if you're thinking of taking it into Chevrolet, you've seen the video. It's quick, easy. Just make sure you get the auxiliary battery in the back, take that to AutoZone, get that checked and recharged, because that odds are that battery is drained, and that's another reason why your vehicle, when you stop on that Chevy Malibu, the infotainment system, it turns off, it stops working, and then it reboots itself. So it shouldn't do that. So yeah, good luck out there. If you guys got any questions, just please leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer.